Today we will review 6th grade math lesson 15.2. This lesson will cover how to find the measures of center. Here's your I can statement. I can find and interpret mean, median, and mode of a set of data, and I can explain my solution method to others. Let's review some vocabulary for today. I encourage you to write this down in a math spiral notebook. So our vocab is mean, median, and mode. Okay, so median is your average. We also learned in yesterday's lesson, it's your balance point, it's your fair share, and it is most commonly, used as the measure of center. It's not always the best one, but it's the one that we use most often, and it's very common. The median just means the middle number of your data set. And mode, I highlighted O because that helps me remember most often. It's just a way to remember that that's most often because there's lots of O's there. Okay, so the mean or the average of a set of data is the sum of the items in the data set divided by the number of items in the data set. The median is the middle number, or the average of the two middle numbers in an order of the data set. And the mode is the number that occurs the most frequently in a set of data. When all the numbers occur the same frequency, then there is no mode. If you would like to see some examples, please look at your homework on page 152. I encourage you to stop this video and try these problems on your own first and then go back and watch the video. Zeke surveyed a group of classmates about how many times they ate school lunch in the last month. The results are 5, 1, 22, 15, 12, 18, 9, 8, and 9. What are the mean, median, mode of this data set? So here are some examples that give you step-by-step on how to solve this. So let's go ahead and follow these. Okay, so the first one is when we want to find the mean, we want to make sure when we're doing the mean, that is the sum, meaning we're adding, of all your data values, and that's being divided by the number of data values. So if you look up here on all these numbers that they give you in the results, when they did the survey, you add them up, you take the sum, and then you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why it's being divided by 9. And so then you get 99 divided by 9, you get 11. So your mean for this data is 11. So then the next thing is it says to find the median, which is the middle number. So you would put your data set in order from least to greatest. That is very important that you go ahead and you rewrite. All the data values in order from least to greatest. That you have to do first in order to find the median. Means which one comes in the middle. So when you have an odd number here of the number of data values, and you see right here we have a 9, and that's odd number, then you know you can find the median really easy. I'll show you later how to find the median if you have don't have a middle number. So here we go. So the median for this data value set is 9. Find the mode. What is the number that is most often used in this data set? So we have mode. So if you can see in this data set, 9 occurs twice. So the mode of the data set is 9. So let's find the mean, median, mode on a few more examples here. Let's do question 1. Now we want to find the mean. So I just find it helpful from the beginning to go ahead and write down these in order. And then we'll put them in, have as they're given, and then we can put them in order to find the median in a minute. So go ahead and take the sum, and then you need to count how many are in this set. We have 9 data values. So then we get 63 divided by 9, which is 7. So that is my mean. Step 2 is I find the median. So I must put these in order now. So 3, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. And because I know that I have 9, I can find the middle number easily. So I know the median is 6. That's your median. Now we need to look at the data set. What number is occurring the most often, which is my mode, and I can see my mode is 5. All right, let's do question 2 down here. So I need to do the mean. The mean is I need to take the sum of all of my data divide it by how many numbers I had, and I have 9. So I add those up and I get 342 divided by 9, which is 38. Now I need to find the median. So the median means I have to put everything in order. So then I have 29 would be my first number. 29, 30, 36, 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 46. Again, because I have 9, that's an odd number, so I know that the number that falls in the middle here would be 39. So that is your median. And then what occurs the most often in my data set? So the number that occurs the most often is, I have 2 39s, so most often would be 39. Remember, if there's nothing that occurs more than once, or that occurs the most often, you can write no in the mode. Okay, let's do question 3. So I have my data set here, and I need to take the sum of that to find the mean. And I divide that, and I have 7 numbers in my data set. And then I get 1,281 divided by 7, which is 183. Then I need to look at my median. What number is in the middle? So I have to put my numbers in order. So I have 108, 133, 159, 206, 206, 215, 254. And because I have 7 in my data set, then I know that's going to be the median because it's in the middle. So that's 206. And then the mode. What is occurring the most often? And 206 is occurring the most often. So 206 is my mode. So that is our lesson for Module 15, Lesson 2 for Grade 6.